Today, let's have a review of this upgraded ATM bank. It's an ATM bank, so you can read the coins.
The deposit this time is $0.25. You are doing excellent. Keep going. The deposit this time is $0.25. You are doing excellent. Keep it up. The remaining sum is $0.50. Please insert paper bill. Enter deposit amount and
Okay,
press
for the
note
paper
deposit
bill,
to confirm.
we need to enter the value.
Haha, the deposit this time is $1. Keep going. The remaining sum is $1.50.
Okay, this is a ATM bank, but this ATM bank is upgraded. It has extended port, but this is a power supply, so it can use battery, but it can also use the power supply. Okay, and then it has output for the power. We can use it to charge our phone because we put the bank on the desk, so we can also charge the phone. So it works as a workshop. Okay, so also we can have other accessories to make it fun. Okay, this is a DJ light. And we can have a fan. Okay, to make it a workstation. And it has a light, front light. Okay, the benefit of this, it can use a power input that can work for a long time. Okay, the battery, it have lifetimes, so you can put on the desk. You can use like that, and you can charge your phone or put some accessories like a LED lamp, and also you can put the fans or whatever those small accessory. They need a power input, so you can work for more fun. Of course, it have the other ATM functions as a pocket.
Money is zero.
Balance.
Account balance $1.50. Keep
Have
saving.
the
Current time 8 hour 9 alarm.
You can set your alarm.
Current time 8 hour.
You
Calculator.
have a calculator.
Current time 8 hour 19 minute.
Okay, let's take the money out.
Account balance $1.50. Keep saving. Please enter withdrawal amount
$1.50.
Please enter 4-digit password. The money tray is
and it has a big drawer, so it can hold a lot of coins and paper bills.
The withdrawals this time is $1.50. The remaining sum is $0.
Well, perfect.